cherries on top with a wild twist. Base colour. I'm using OPI Nail Envy in the shade Bubble Bath. For the perfect cherry red, apply 2 coats of Essie Bordeaux on 3 of your nails. Now for the cheetah print. On your pinky finger, create a French tip using Essie Blank. Using a round brush tip to remover, clean up any polish on the skin. Once your French tips are dry, take a dotting tool and add random spots using Essie Fringes and Saddle. Then go back in with Essie Licorice and gently outline parts of the spot to build that cheetah print. Now for the cherries. Place 2 red small dots closer together, and to paint the stems I'm using Sally Hansen Chill Out. Once you've connected the stems, add 2 tiny green leaves at the top. Seal everything in with a glossy top coat, and that's the set. Sweet, bold, and a little bit wild. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the Boots YouTube channel.